sales rep that comes here, which is Dave, I have to put that in. He's a good man. He comes out here and stays with us and actually works with us to make sure that for the first time that we do it right so that the product will last like they guarantee it to last. And their reps have stayed 24 hours a day. They don't ask for any more money. And we don't ask them to stay, they just do it. So that means a lot when you're in this business. I mean, you're always running into new products. There's always a certain way products have to be applied. And when you have the expert right with you, I mean, you got it made. There is no fault. The first application that comes to mind was on a boiler feed pump. We had a main bearing spin on the shaft, which grooved the shaft. We needed a speedy repair, something that would hold up and last, because we didn't really want to take the pumps down. They were only a year old at the time. So Dave was there and came down, and we had a special fixture made up the size of the shaft. We put the Belzona on the shaft, clamped this fixture that we had to it, which sized the shaft to the way it had to be, and let it cure, took it off, put the new bearing on it, put it back in service, and it ran for 4 years. We have probably 2 miles of belts that we run out here in the plant. And of course we dump wood chips on them. Wood chips are very abrasive, but that's not the problem with the belts. Every once in a while we bring in chunks of metal, which we don't want, of course, but we get them, and those chunks of metal fall on the belt. If they hang up, they tear chunks of the rubber out. So what we do is the belts have fiber in it, and that's what you don't want to wear out. That's the strength of the belt. So when it tears the rubber off, you expose the fiber. Well, we've used the elastomers to go back and coat over them so that they have a rubber coating over the top again, and the belt just keeps right on running. If you use the product in the right way, okay, there isn't any better as far as I'm concerned. We've tried different products and it just won't withstand it.